Our today's recipe is a very easy money and time saving one pot dish. For this rice cooker egg rice, we need these ingredients. First, we need to heat oil in the rice cooker pan and put cinnamon, cloves and cardamom into it. Then add chopped ginger and garlic. After that, add curry leaves and pandan leaves. Now add onions. Then add all the vegetables. Today for this rice, I got beans, carrots and cabbages. You can get any vegetable you like. Mix all the vegetables together and cook around 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can add turmeric powder, curry powder, chili powder, pepper powder and salt as per our taste. Combine all and cook more around 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add washed rice into this. Then add water and green chilies and cook the rice in the rice cooker. When water in the rice cooker is boiling, add eggs one by one. Don't mix the rice after adding eggs. Now our eggs are also well boiled and rice is also ready. If you make this kind of one pot rice, you can save money, time and these days much needed gas. See you soon with another delicious recipe. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon.